Hi, welcome to Biraja Tv. India reports over 25 new COVID cases and 339 deaths. Bhubaneswar, India reported 25,404 new cases of COVID-19 and 339 deaths in the last 24 hours. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said on Monday. According to the Union Health Ministry, 37,127 more persons recovered from the disease in the last 24 hours. Besides, the active cases in the country now stand 3,64,207. The total case till now are 3,32,89,579, while the total recovery cases are 3,24,159 and the death toll has reached 4,43,213. Thank you.